Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane the Heart, and today I am going to be making some coffee gift card holders. So this is part of my back to school series I'm doing for the month of September, and part of that series is to be prepared for things that come up. So I have things ready to be given out to teachers or colleagues. I work at a school, so just having these ready in case I want to give a little gift card to someone, then I am ready to go. So I am using, I'll show you what I'm using, how I'm going to make it, and then I'll show you the ones that I've made. So I'm going to be using this Pink by Design Perk Up stamp set. Pink by Design is no longer, I don't think, in business anymore, at least making stamps. So I have quite a few of these, but there's so many coffee-inspired stamps out there. Also, any teacher stamps would work. Anything that you want to do, because I'm also going to be making them for different themes. But right now I'm focusing on school. And so I'm also using, where is it? This one right here, which is the HoneyBee Stamps Coffee Card Gift Holder Honey Cuts dies. Now, I really wish, now this fits in a, because it's not very wide, so it fits in a standard, like a Cuddle Bug, Big Shot, any of those it fits in. You just need a longer platform to fit it in. I wish that they had just come up with a way to have, you know, dies that go with this. For example, they just came out with their, I guess, I don't know what they call it, but it looks like a Frappuccino kind of die, or like a boba. And so I just hate having to have all these different dies that the base of it is exactly the same. Because the base is pretty much the same, it's just the top is different. So that would have been nice, because I really do like those. I think they're pretty cool. So that's kind of a bummer, because this die, what you could do is you could cut part of the die off. When you run it through, just cut part of it off, and then you just have a coffee cup. And you have a little pieces of the coffee cup that you can use on front of a card, so, or make it into a tag. So you have a lot of options with this. I just wish that I didn't have to buy the whole the new die that they have. Oh well. So I also used this, not for very much. I thought I was going to use it for more, but I ended up not. And these are the Snap Pack, the stickers from Snap Simple Stories. It's the school one, and I got these in a warehouse box quite a few years ago, actually. So when you cut it out, I cut out various, these are the pieces I'm not going to use, but this is what it looks like when you cut it out, and it's already scored for you, so it's very easy to just score it on the lines, and it's just beautifully done. The paper I'm using, I believe it's called something like Real Genius. It's a photo play paper line. So then I've got this piece right here. And just an aside, you know, I've been struggling with my ATG, so I contacted Tape Jungle. I sent them my video. I think the guy might have not been super happy that I had posted this on my channel, but hey, you know, whatever. So anyway, he's supposed to send me some replacement tapes. So hopefully those will work better, because I said, you know, this has been going on for a while, and I buy a lot of it, and I buy it in bulk, and then so I may not get to that tape right away that I purchase for a while, because I like to have it on hand because I don't like to run out. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, so this is the sleeve part that comes up here, and I mean, you can use a variety of things to seal that up, but I use 1/8 of an inch score tape is what I use for that. And there we go. And it just folds right over, and it's just super, super clean. So before I attach that, on the inside, you don't have to do anything depending on what the paper is on the inside, but it's kind of busy on the inside. So all I did was take this same piece up here, and I just cut out another piece in white so I can have my sentiment. So I'm going to lower this down a little bit. so I can have my sentiment. So just wanted to express my gratitude. Sometimes the paper's light inside. You can just stamp right on there, or you can stamp on a scrap and cut it out and place it there. It's just your preference and depending on what kind of paper you have, but I just am doing that. So that's done. And so then what you could do is, there really isn't a pocket or anything for this. I generally put a little, like a little foam dot or a little glue dot right here, and I stick my gift card, which this is, I don't have a gift card handy up here, but this is what I use to for acrylic paint. I use that, but you can see it fits on there perfectly. So you would just do a little glue dot there and it would stick for you. So we've got this piece right here, which then just fits on here depending on, there we go, fits pretty high up like that. And I had these other pieces I was going to use, but I'm not going to use them. I decided to keep it a little simpler. So I cut out the circle that also comes in the die kit. So everything is right there for you. And this is some plaid paper that I actually got this in my little birthday package from Lawn Fawn. So Lawn Fawn sends you, for your birthday, if you're signed up and you've put your birthday in your account there, they send you a cute little stamp, which I did not have at the time, but I will show you guys when I do another haul. They send you the cutest little stamp with a little matching die and a little happy birthday Lawn Fawn stamp, as well as they sent a couple papers too. And it's a couple plaid papers, which I've actually been using for this project. They sent me some dots and they also sent me some plaid. So I'm going to use little pop dots on here. And all this is from the Snap Pack. And I just put it on. It's just basically a sticker that I just put on some scrap. And then let me put this on real quick. And then I'm going to show you the ones that I made, which I really love how they came out. And you can kind of get an idea how you can really change the look of it very easily. All right, so there we go. And here is my completed little coffee cup card. This one says, I love school. And then it just says, just wanted to express my gratitude. So the person can slip this off. There'll be a gift card inside, and then off they go. So let me show you. I made another one using that same paper line from Photo Paper Play. And this is a sticker from the sticker sheet that I just went ahead and mounted on some craft cardstock, and then I just cut it out and put it on with Pop Tots, and it just slips right off. And then here is another one that I used scrap from the mini album that I posted, the school mini album that I posted for the first part of my back to school series. And then this one says, Java Great Day. Now here I did the same plaid paper. And then this is a cute little sticker from a new stamp set from Mama Elephant. It's their reading stamp set. It's called, not Goodreads, Bookworm. It's called Bookworm. So I am going to use it for this series because I am going to make bookmarks with that. So I have these. And then I dug through my stash, and this is old Prima paper I've had forever. And it's called, I want to say it's called Coffee Break. But I've had it forever. I mean, really long time. And it's a coffee-inspired paper. And I don't know why this one is so low. Like it won't. I don't know what the deal is with this one. So, it's very weird. But I also used the, I had a sticker sheet. Really weird. It only will go up that far, so I'll have to look into that. I used the sticker sheet that comes, they didn't come with it, but it's like these embellished stickers that I had purchased with it, and it had these gems as well as these stickers in there. So I used it for 2 of these, and it says expressly for you inside. Aren't those cute? So I'll take this one off since I need to figure out why it won't go all the way up. But it just says expressly for you, and then you can see how you could put a little gift card inside of here, and then that's it. So isn't that cute? So I really love how these came out, and I just think that they are just a really, oh, here we go. Just needed to get shoved up a little bit. All right, we're good to go now. But yeah, these are really great, and you can see how different that they look depending on how you decorate them and what paper you use. But now I have these on hand, and I can give these as a gift to teachers or to friends, and they're ready to go. So, you know, even if you don't have this coffee cup die, you can use some other sort of die to make these types of, and just use, you know, school-inspired paper if you want them to have on hand for teachers. And then you've got these ready to go when the occasion arises. So thank you very much for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with the Heart.